is only in women, and so men has no role to play in cervical cancer.
Okay, so men have a role to play in cervical cancer. I think I mentioned that the vaccination, we vaccinate both boys and girls. And HPV, which we said is the cause of cervical cancer, is a sexually transmitted infection. So meaning that it can affect both males and females. The thing with men is that men do not have cervix. They don't have cervix, so they cannot get cervical cancer. So the unfortunate part is that women are the ones who are facing the consequence of that infection. But men can also transfer HPV via sexual partners.
Okay.
That's why it's important for boys to get vaccinated as well.
Okay. All right. And then again, with the HPV vaccine, recently when they were doing a nationwide distribution of the vaccine, I heard some myth that, our young girls, once they receive this vaccine in long and in the future, they are going to be barren. And so I wanted to clear that air for us. Yes, please.
Well,
Is that
that no, it's not true at all. This vaccine is supposed to help us. It's supposed to help our young ladies as they grow up, not to face this horrible disease of cervical cancer. It's rather protecting their futures. So it's not barrenness in any way.
Thank you so much. There's something
Mhm.
about multiple sexual partners is one of the risk factor to cervical cancer. So there's a myth out there that once you have only a single sexual partner, your chances of getting cervical cancer, you'll not get cervical cancer anyway. So I want you to maybe tell us, is it true that even if the person has only one sexual partner and the partner has HPV, I mean the virus transferred to her, she will not get the cervical cancer? Yeah.
No partner, and your sexual partner has the HPV infection and transfers it to you, it increases your risk of getting cervical cancer. It doesn't matter if it's one, two, three, five. As long as you come in contact with someone who has the HPV infection and you get infected as well, then your chances of getting cervical cancer would increase.